Hello and welcome to another episode of Elephant English Podcast. Today we're going to be following some A2 speaking questions which are about daily routine, home, friends, family life, sports, holidays and hobbies, and this will help you to practice for your English speaking exam. The first ones are about daily routine. What do you do in the mornings? I normally wake up at 7 o'clock in the mornings when I go to work. So, from Monday to Friday, I wake up at 7 o'clock. When I wake up, I go to the bathroom and I wash my face. After that, I get dressed, I have my breakfast, and I feed my cat. After that, I prepare my bag to go to work and I brush my teeth. When I'm ready, I go down to my car in the garage and I drive to work. I start work at 8:30, so it's important for me to wake up early in the morning. Question number 2. Do you get up early? Yes, as I said, I get up at 7 o'clock because I start work at 8:30. Question number 3. What do you normally eat for breakfast? Normally, I have milk and cereals for breakfast. I don't like to have any coffee, but I like to have a cup of tea in the morning. The next questions are going to be about home. Do you live in a house or a flat? At the moment, I'm living in a flat. My flat is small and it has one kitchen, one living room, one bathroom and 2 small bedrooms. Question number 2. Who do you live with? I live with my partner and my cat. Question number 3. How many bedrooms are there in your house? In my house, there are 2 bedrooms. I use one as a bedroom and I use the other one as an office. Question number 4. What's your favorite room in the house? My favorite room in the house is my living room because it's very comfortable. I have a sofa in there, I have the TV, and it is the biggest room in the house, so it's quite comfortable to be in there. The next questions are about friends. How often do you see your friends? I see my friends twice a month at the weekends because I work from Monday to Friday, so it's impossible to meet them in the week. We can only meet up at the weekends because they work from Monday to Friday as well. Question number 2. Where do your friends live? My friends live in the same city as me, so that is good because we can see each other quite often. Question number 3. What do you like doing with your friends? Well, normally we go to the mountains or to the countryside to go for a walk, and after that we go for lunch. If the weather is nice, we might have a picnic in the countryside. If not, we go to a cafe or a restaurant to have something to eat. Question number 4. Did you see your friends last weekend? No, I didn't see my friends last weekend because everybody normally goes on holiday in summer, so it's very difficult to meet up with your friends in summer. The next questions are about family life. Do you have brothers or sisters? Yes, I have 3 brothers and sisters, and I am the youngest. Question number 2. Is your family big? Well, my family isn't very big because my parents don't have any brothers or sisters, so I don't have any cousins or any uncles or aunts. Question number 3. Who do you see more, your friends or your family? I see my family more often because they come to my house during the week as well. So I only meet up with my friends at the weekends, but my family can come to my house. Sometimes they visit me, and other times I go to their house to visit them. Question number 4. Did you like going on holiday with your family when you were younger? Yes, I loved going on holiday. I think it was the best time of the year because we went to very nice places and very nice hotels. I have got a lot of photographs of when we went on holiday together, and I have very happy memories with them. The next question is about sports. How often do you do sport? I do sport every 2 days. I don't do it every day, but about 3 or 4 times per week. Question number 2. What is your favorite sport? I enjoy going for a run. I think that it's very relaxing, but it's also challenging as well. I have an application on my phone that tells me how many minutes I have run that day and how far I have run that day, and it's very motivating because it makes you want to improve. Question number 3. Do you like doing sports inside or outside? I prefer to do sports outside because I think it's more enjoyable. You can look at things around you, so if you're running past some houses, you can look at the houses or talk to some people on the way. And if you're in the countryside, you can enjoy nature, see the animals that are around there. So I think that's more interesting than doing exercise in your home, and for this reason, I always do exercise outside. Question number 4. Do you go to the gym? No, I don't go to the gym because I haven't got a gym near my house. I prefer to go running outside because it is free and it is something that I enjoy doing. The next topic is holidays. Where do you usually go on holiday? I normally go on holiday to Spain or France because I love the weather there, I love the food, and I know how to speak Spanish and French, so it is quite comfortable for me. Question number 2. Who do you go on holiday with? Well, that just depends on the year and who has got holidays on those dates. Sometimes it might be with my partner, and other times it might be with friends or with family. Question number 3. How many holidays do you have every year? I'm very lucky because I'm a teacher and we have 2 months holiday in summer, plus Easter holidays and Christmas holidays and some bank holidays. Question number 4. What was your best holiday? I think my best holiday was when I went to Lanzarote, to a very nice hotel with my family. I remember that there was a bar near the swimming pool and they had pizza. We were all inclusive there, so that means that we could eat everything we wanted to. So I remember having unlimited amount of pizza next to the pool, and I think for this reason it was one of the best holidays. The final topic is hobbies. Do you have a hobby? Yes, I have quite a few hobbies. I would say that my main hobby is painting. I love to paint because I find it very relaxing. I normally paint while I'm listening to music. Question number 2. Where do you normally do your hobby? Well, I normally paint at home because it's quite private. I don't like it when other people are looking at what I'm painting until it's finished. Question number 3. When do you normally do your hobby? I like to paint at night normally. I don't know why, but I think that I paint better at night time. So I normally do this on Fridays or Saturdays when I don't have to work the following day. And the last question is, what is the most popular hobby in your family? I think the most popular hobby in my family is photography. All of my family likes taking photographs, and it is something that we all have in common. So we like to go to the countryside and take photographs of the animals and just of nature in general. And after that, we have a picnic. So it's a very nice way to share our hobby. So, in today's video, we have talked about a mixture of topics to practice for your speaking exam. If you have enjoyed this video, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel because I make a lot of videos like this. I have created a worksheet with activities based on the vocabulary that we have used in this video, and you can find that along with the transcript in the description box. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.